So now today we are going to work on the next prepositions, that is along. Along. What is the meaning of along?
I don't know. आगे.
Along it means
Long time.
along it means cha barobar. That is along it means we walked along the road. It means road cha bazune. That is road cha barobar. Road cha barobar. Road ke saath mein. Along it means following the length of. Along it means following the length of. Okay, just repeat after me. Okay, now Pooja, you are going to answer me. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you are going to answer me. Okay, everybody is answering me in mute status. In mute
Yes,
status,
sir.
answering me. Are you walking along the highway?
Yes, I am working along the highway.
Are you driving? Are you driving along the highway?
Yes, I am driving along the highway.
Okay, it means not on the highway, along the highway. Huh?
Okay.
Following the length of the highway. Okay. Are you walking along the garden?
Yes, I am working along the garden.
Are the carpenters working along the wall?
Yes, there are carpenter
Just
work.
listen to me carefully. Then only answer. Otherwise, you can ask me a pardon, please. Are carpenters working along the garden?
Yes, carpenters are working along the garden.
Okay. Are the students standing? Are the students running along the wall?
Yes, students are running along the wall.
Okay. Are the players playing along the pavement?
Players, sorry, sir.
Are players playing along the pavement?
Yes, players are playing along the pavement.
Is Sunita riding a bicycle along the street?
Yes, Sunita is riding a bicycle along the street.
Okay. Are you discussing with your friends along the footpath?
Yes, I am discussing with friend along the footpath.
Okay. Is he going along the lane to his office?
Yes, he is going to along the lane his office.
Okay. Is he driving along the subway?
He is driving along the subway.
Is he driving along the subway?
He is driving along the subway.
Okay. Is the audience sitting along the ground?
The audience is sitting along the grounds.
Okay. Are the students practicing cricket along the compound?
Sorry, sir, pardon.
Are the students practicing cricket along the compound?
The students are practicing along the compound.
Okay. Yeah, Nikita, answer me. Nikita,
Yes, sir.
did you drive a car along the highway?
Yes, I drive a car along the highway.
Did you
I drove a car along the highway.
Okay. Did you run along the garden?
Yes, I ran along the garden.
Okay. Did the carpenter work along the wall?
Yes, carpenter. What's up?
Did the carpenter work along the wall?
Yes, carpenter worked along the wall.
Did the children play? Simple past tense. Okay. Did the children play along the pavement?
Yes, children played along the pavement.
Okay. Did Sunil ride a bicycle along the street?
Yes, Sunil ride a bicycle
Rode a
along the
bicycle.
street
Hmm.
road. Yes.
Okay. Did he run along the footpath?
Yes, he ran along the footpath.
Did he search for the thief along the lane?
Yes, he searched for the thief along the lane.
Did he deliver the courier along the subway?
Yes, he delivered the courier along the subway.
Did he try to drive along the ground?
Yes, he tried to drive along the ground.
Okay. Did the children play along the compound?
Yes, children played along the compound.
Okay, in this way, along the highway, along the garden, we have used a lot of this. Now we are going to work on the next. Among. Among it means within a group. Among it means within a group. More than two. Within
What
a
is-
group of more than two. Okay. एका मोठ्या ग्रुप मध्ये या शब्दानं वापरायचं असेल तर वी यूज अमंग. बहुत सारे लोगों के बीच में ऐसा बोलना है तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे? अमंग यूज करेंगे. अमंग इट मीन्स विद इन अ ग्रुप. यू कैन टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस. अमंग इट मीन्स विद इन अ ग्रुप. द मनी वॉज शेयर्ड अमंग 3 पीपल. मतलब पैसा 3 लोगों के बीच में बांटा गया. पैसा 3 लोगों के बीच में बांटा गया. पैसे 3 लोकांच्या मध्ये विभाजित केले गेले. So among it means more than 2 people. More than 2 people, not 2 people, more than 2 people. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And for 2 we use between. 2 लोगों के बीच में देना है तो हम between यूज करेंगे. 2 से ज्यादा लोगों के बीच में देना है तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे? among यूज करेंगे. Alright, among 5 brothers. Okay, among 5 brothers. Okay, Amruta, answer me.
Yes, sir.
Did Sunil deliver? Did Sunil discuss the issue? Did Sunil discuss the issue among 5 brothers?
Yes, Sunil discussed the issue among 5 brothers.
Okay. Did Ankita deliver a speech? Did Ankita deliver a speech among 10 teachers?
Yes, Ankita delivered a speech among
10 teachers.
10
Second.
teachers.
Okay.
Among 10.
Did Meenakshi stand first in the class? Did Meenakshi stand first in the class among 50 students?
Yes, Meenakshi stood first in the class among 50 students.
Okay. Did he select marigold flower among many flowers?
Yes, he selected marigold flower among all the flowers.
Okay. Did he select the FC college among 5 colleges?
Yes, he selected FC college among 5 colleges.
Did you buy bungalow number 1 among 8 bungalows?
Yes, I bought bungalow number 1 among 5 bungalows.
Okay. Did you watch Sony channel among hundreds of channels?
Yes, I watched Sony channel among many channels.
Did you read Bhagavad Gita among 1000 books?
Yes, I read Bhagavad Gita among thousands of books.
Did the company select Aishwarya among 30 candidates?
Yes, the company selected Aishwarya among 30 candidates.
Okay. Did you answer 2 questions among 5 questions?
Yes, I answered 2 questions among 5 questions.
Got it, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
So this is a
Yes, sir.
very important lesson. Preposition is a very important lesson. So we are going to publish all these videos. We are going to publish all these videos on our app. So whoever wants to get these videos, they can contact to Bhushan sir. He will talk to you. All right. Now once again we are going to discuss the second among 5 brothers. Okay, among 5 brothers. Aditi, answer me. Aditi. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did Anjana get the flat among 5 brothers?
Pardon, sir.
Did Anjana get the flat among 5 brothers?
Yes, Anjana got the flat among 5 brothers.
Very good. Good job. Did Sunil crack the interview for the lecturership among 10 teachers?
Yes, Sunil got the lecturership among 10 teachers.
Did you stand first in the class? Among 50 students?
Yes,
I stood.
Yes, I stood the stand among 50 students.
Okay, are you taking marigold among many flowers?
Yes, they are taking.
I am taking.
Yes, I am taking marigold flowers among many flowers.
Okay, did you select FC college among 5 colleges?
Yes, I am selected
I selected.
the.
Did you?
Yes, I selected the FC college among 5 colleges.
Okay, did you buy bungalow number 3 among 8 bungalows?
Yes, I bought a bungalow number 3 among 8 bungalows.
Okay, did you buy Sony's subscription among hundreds of channels?
Yes, I bought the Sony subscription among hundreds of channels.
Okay, did you buy Ramayana among 1000 books?
Yes, I bought Ramayana among 1000 books.
Okay, did you crack the interview among 30 candidates?
Yes, I cracked the interview among 30 candidates.
Okay, did you solve 3 questions among 5 questions?
Yes, I solved the 3 questions among 5 questions.
Got it? In this way, you are going to, we have studied among questions, among preposition. Now around. What is the meaning of around? Around, it means circling something.
के आसपास.
हाँ, आसपास नहीं, सर्कलिंग समथिंग मतलब पूरा सर्कल करते हुए. ओके, सर्कलिंग समथिंग म्हणजे गोल फिरून. दॅट इज वी वॉक्ड अराउंड द ब्लॉक. इट मीन्स आम्ही ब्लॉकच्या पूर्ण अराउंड फिरलो, म्हणजे सभोवताली फिरलो. सराउंडिंग म्हणजे सभोवताली. देयर इज अ फेन्स अराउंड द गार्डन, म्हणजे गार्डनच्या
भोवती का?
हा, भोवती किंवा भोवताली. गार्डनच्या भोवती फेन्स आहे, म्हणजे संरक्षित भिंत आहे. सो दॅट इज कॉल्ड सराउंडिंग. And we used around to give the meaning of surrounding or to give the meaning of circling something. Okay, around the block. Okay, all right. Nilesh, answer me.
Okay, sir.
Around the block. Okay, are you searching the keys around the block?
I am searching the keys around the block.
Okay, is there much garbage around the society?
There is much garbage around the society.
Are there many coconut trees around the garden?
There are many coconut trees. There are many coconut trees around the garden.
Okay, how many students are there around the school?
There are 20 students around the garden.
Listen to me carefully, Nilesh. Without listening correctly, do not answer. I told you many times.
Okay, sir.
Without listening correctly, do not answer. Every word in language, every word is important. Every word is a diamond. So if you miss one word, then you will miss one diamond. So please do not answer the questions without listening to the questions correctly. Okay, now answer me correctly. How many teachers are there? How many students are there around the teacher?
How many teachers are there?
How many students? How many students are there around the teacher?
20 students are around the garden.
And listen to me. No need to see that. No need to see the chart. Listen to me carefully. You will answer it. How many students are there? How many students are there around the teacher?
20 students are around the teacher.
Correct. How many passengers are there around the beggar?
20 passengers are there around the beggar.
There are 20 passengers around the beggar. Okay. How many children are there around the play area?
20 children are around the garden. Play area, play area.
Okay, listen to me carefully. Listen to me. Listening is a main problem with some students. Okay, how you are talented, Nilesh, you are talented, but you should listen to me correctly and clearly. All right. How many brothers and sisters are there around your mother?
3 sisters and 2 brothers are around my mother.
Correct. Good answer. Why? Because you are listening now. All right. Around the city. How many sightseeing places are there around the city?
Pardon, sir. Could you repeat?
How many sightseeing places? Prekshanīya sthal. How many sightseeing places are there around the city?
3 places are around the city.
Okay. How many farmers are there around the village?
30 farmers are around the village.
Very good. Good job. Okay. Ashwini, answer me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How many bungalows are there around the block?
There are two bungalows around the block.
How many security gates? How many security gates are there around the society?
There are 2 security gates around the society.
How many guards are there around the garden?
There are 5 guards around the garden.
How many students are there around the school?
There are 2 students around the school.
How many students are there around the teacher?
There are 5 students around the teacher.
How many passengers are around the beggar?
There are 5 passengers around the beggars.
How many children are around the play area?
There are 5 children around the play area.
How many brothers and sisters around mother?
There are 1 sister and 2 brothers around the mother.
How many petrol pumps are around the city?
There are 15 petrol pumps around the city.
How many farmers are around the village?
There are 100 farmers around the village.
Got it? Now around one more time. Around, what is the meaning of around now? Around, it means in different parts of, म्हणजे कुठल्या किसी दूसरे part में उसको बोलते हैं around. I looked around the house for the around the house for the keys. मैंने keys के लिए घर के दूसरे part में खोज किया ऐसा. In the other direction, मतलब दूसरे direction में we turned around and went back home. मैं पीछे मुड़ा और घर चला गया. That is in other direction. Approximately also we can use. He is around 6 feet tall. तो अंदाजे 6 फूट ऊंचा है. That is called approximately. We use around for the approximately. Around the city to repair watch. Around the city to repair the watch. All right. Now Sanchali, answer me.
Yes, sir.
Are you around the city to repair watch?
Yes, there are around the city to
Simple, Sanchali. Are you around the city to repair the watch? Yes, I am. You are adding, yes, I am.
I am around the city to repair watch.
Are you around the market for shopping?
Yes, I am around the market for shopping.
Are you around the library for membership card?
Yes, I am around the library for membership card.
Are you around the school for cricket ball?
Yes, I am around the school for cricket ball.
Are you around the garden for wallet?
Yes, I am around the garden for wallet.
Are customers around the customer desk for application?
Yes,
Customers are
Yes.
around the customer care
yes,
desk.
customers are around the customer care desk for application.
Okay. Are the colleagues, are the officers around the office to call the office boy?
Yes, the officers
around the office to call the office boy.
Okay, are you around the company or did you go? Now answer me in simple past tense. Did you go around the company to find the canteen?
Yes,
I went
yes, I will.
around the company
Yes, I will around the company to end the
to find the canteen.
to find the canteen.
Okay, are you around the hospital for reports?
Yes, I am around the hospital for reports.
Are you around the bus stop to park the car?
Yes, I am around the bus stop to park the car.
Very good. Good job. Good job. Nice. Okay, now Sanket, answer me.
Yes, sir.
Did you go around the city to repair a watch?
Yes, I went around the city to repair a watch.
Did you travel around the market for shopping?
Yes, I traveled around the market for shopping.
Did you wait around the library for membership card?
Yes, I wait around the library for membership card.
Did you search around the school for cricket ball?
Yes, I searched around the school for cricket ball.
Did you find around the did you search around the garden for wallet?
Yes, I searched around the garden for wallet.
Did you inquire around the customer care desk for application?
Yes, I inquired around the customer care desk for application.
Okay, did you request around the office to call the office boy?
Yes, I requested around the office to call the office boy.
Okay, did you ask around the company to find the canteen?
Yes, I asked around the company to find the canteen.
Did you go around the hospital for reports?
Yes, I went around the hospital for reports.
Did you try around the bus stop to park the car?
Yes, I tried around the bus stop to park the car.
All right, so in this way we talked about a lot of preposition. This is I think every day you people are learning a huge topic. And these all topics will come under the test, written test. These all topics will come under the written test. So please wait for the written test on Friday. We are going to work on the written test on Friday. All right. And is everybody solving the written test?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I have got a lot of written tests, and everybody will get the marks on Friday. On Friday, you will get the marks from me. Like out of 100 marks, you will get some marks. Out of 100, you will get some marks. I will check all your. I am checking now. I am checking all your tests, and I will give you the marks out of 100. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we are going to work on a bit how to use grammar in communication. Today we are going to work. All right. Are you enjoying?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. And
Yes,
some
sir.
students.
Yes, sir, we are enjoying.
Okay, I just wanted to tell you that some students have not yet started writing the test. So I request everybody to write the test. All right. And if you have got any problems in the syllabus, I think you should join the doubt session. We have the special doubt session for you all, and it is at 3 o'clock. Sorry, it is at 3:30 to 4 every day. It is at 3:30 to 4 every day. I think some students of your batch, they joined today. I request other students who missed the doubt sessions, they can join tomorrow at 3:30 to 4. Tomorrow we are going to work on tenses. So you can practice the tenses. Sanchali, Aishwarya, don't miss
Yes,
the
sir.
doubt session. Doubt session is at 3:30 in the afternoon. So don't miss tomorrow's doubt session. All right. Now we are going to work on how to use your grammar in communication. Last 15 minutes, we are going to work on how to use your grammar in your communication. Every day we are going to do this activity because this is very important activity for you all. So this is very important activity for you to do this activity now. So I just want to give you one example. Why we do not speak, why we do not get the confidence in English. Why we do not get the confidence in English. You know why we do not get the confidence in English? Because we don't ask the questions.
Yes, sir.
Why we do not get the confidence in English?
Yes, sir.
Because we just answer the questions, but we do not dare to ask the questions.
Yes, sir.
We do not dare to ask the questions. So we do not get the confidence.
Yes, sir.
We do not dare to ask the questions. So we do not dare to get the confidence. Understand? So today I am going to give you a practical example. Today I am going to give you a practical example how to face the people and how to gain the confidence. How to face the people and how to gain the confidence. What happens, you know, we always stress our brain to speak in English, to speak in English, to speak in English. But you know, speaking English is not a job of extra brain. You do not need an extraordinary brain to speak in English. You just need a general knowledge only. But you need the alertness to speak in English.
Yes.
You need the perfect listening to speak in English. If you do not listen to the lectures, to the listeners or to the speakers carefully, then you cannot speak in English correctly. Understand? So everybody can speak in English correctly. You should have patience. You should have patience and you should try to read the speaker. You should try to read the speaker. Now we have one speaker with us. We have one speaker with us. His name is Abhishek. Abhishek, okay? Abhishek. So
Yes, sir.
Abhishek is here, but Mahesh is talking to Abhishek, okay? Mahesh is, okay, Maya is talking to Abhishek in English, okay? Maya is talking to Abhishek in English. Okay, Maya is telling Abhishek. Okay, Maya is telling to Abhishek, are you reading a newspaper? Are you
Reading a newspaper.
Are you reading a newspaper now?
Newspaper.
Okay, we'll talk in a simple way. Okay, do you read newspaper every day? Do you read newspaper? Do you read newspaper? Okay, do you read newspaper? Then,
Yes, I am reading newspaper.
then Abhishek will answer. Okay, Abhishek, your name is Abhishek, right?
Yes.
Abhishek will answer. What will Abhishek answer? Answer it, Abhishek.
Yes, I am read a newspaper.
I am read a newspaper.
I read a newspaper. Sorry.
Yes, I read a
Read
newspaper.
a newspaper.
Yes, I read a newspaper.
Newspaper.
Right. So this is the answer. You know, now the real conversation starts from here. Now the real conversation starts from here. You know, who is the winner of the conversation? The person who asked the question is the winner of the conversations. Please, I want everybody not to write anything. You can take a screenshot. You can take a screenshot. Okay. So who is the winner of the conversation? The person who does not, who asks the questions is a winner of the conversation, and who answers the question is a loser of the conversations. So now what should Abhishek do here?
Loser.
Should Abhishek ask any other different questions?
No.
No, I think Abhishek should not ask any different questions. He should ask again this same question. Same question. Do you read the newspaper? Do you read a newspaper? Okay. Same question. Then that person will answer, yes, I read a newspaper. Then what is Abhishek's job? Abhishek will ask the next question. When do you read a newspaper? Understand? When do you read a newspaper? We are not doing anything different. We are just asking the same questions in different WH questions. Okay. Now second, where do you read a newspaper? Where do you read a newspaper? Okay. Now third. Okay. Which newspaper do you read? Which newspaper do you read? Okay. Now Okay, how long? How long do you read a newspaper? How long do you read a newspaper? Okay, then okay, why do you read a newspaper? Why do you read a newspaper? Understand? Then here, who is the winner of the conversation? The person who asked the questions is the winner of the conversations. All right. Got it, everybody? Now, Abhishek, I am Maya and you are Abhishek. Okay. Do you read a newspaper?
Yes, I read a newspaper.
But now Abhishek will stop. You know, if Abhishek will stop, then Abhishek is loser. Abhishek, now it is your
Yeah.
turn. If you will stop here, you will be the loser in the conversation. So don't stop here. I just want to tell everybody, if you answer and stop,
Okay.
then you will be the loser. Don't stop after the answer.
Yes, okay.
Ask the question again. Ask him the question back.
Do you read a newspaper?
Ask him the question back. Very good. Very good. Very good, Abhishek. Very good. Ask me
When
again.
do you read a
Do you,
newspaper?
wait a minute. Do you read a newspaper?
Yes, I read a
answer me.
newspaper. Do you read a newspaper?
Abhishek, answer me. Do you read a
Yes,
newspaper?
I read a newspaper. Yes, I read a newspaper. Do you read a newspaper?
Yes, I read a newspaper.
When do you read a newspaper?
I read a newspaper in the morning.
Where do you read a
Stop.
newspaper?
If you stop, you will be a loser. I told you, if you stop, you
Where
will be
do
a
you read a
loser.
newspaper?
Once again.
Where do you read a newspaper?
I read a newspaper in the library.
Which newspaper do you read?
I read Times of India.
How long do you read a newspaper?
I read a newspaper for 30 minutes.
Why do you read a newspaper?
I read a newspaper to get the updated knowledge. Got it? Now you are the winner.
Yes. Okay, sir.
Understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Again. I am
Do you
Maya
read a
and you
news-
are. Wait a minute. Again, I am Maya and you are Abhishek. Okay. Do you read a newspaper?
Yes, I read a newspaper. Do you read a newspaper?
Yes, I read a newspaper.
When do you read a newspaper?
I read a newspaper in the morning.
Where do you read a newspaper?
I read a newspaper in the library.
Which newspaper do you read?
I read Times of India.
How long do you read a newspaper?
I read a newspaper for 30 minutes.
Why do you read a newspaper?
I read a newspaper to get the updated knowledge. Very good. Good job. Amruta, now you are making. Okay, I am Maya and you are Amruta. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Do you play? Okay. Do you attend online lectures?
Yes, I attend online lectures. Do you attend online lectures?
Yes, I attend online lectures.
How many online lectures do you attend in a
I
day?
attend 3 online lectures.
What is the timing of your online lectures?
It is 8 o'clock in the morning.
Do you like to attend online lectures?
Yes, I love to attend online lectures. Where?
Where do you attend the online lectures?
I attend the online lectures on Zoom. Why?
Why do you attend the online lectures?
I attend the online lectures to learn spoken English.
Do you enjoy attending online lectures?
Yes, I enjoy attending online lectures. Very good. Good job. Nice. Okay, next. Okay, yeah. Tushar.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you write the poems?
Yes, I write a poem.
Do you
Where do you write a poem?
No. I will ask you. Do you write the poems?
Yes, I write a poem. Do you write a poem?
Yes, I write the poems.
When do you write a poem?
I write the poems in the evening.
Why do you like to write a poem?
I write the poems to express my feelings.
How much time do you write a poem?
I write the poem for 30 minutes.
Why do you write a poem?
I write the poems to publish the poems.
Okay.
Okay, fine. So you are a loser. If you stop, you are a loser. I told you many times. If you stop, you are a loser. Understand? Now try to practice this non-stop. Tomorrow you have to ask me non-stop. All right? Santosh, ask
okay,
me
sir.
now. Santosh, ask me now. Do you play cricket? Huh? Do you play cricket?
Do you play cricket?
Uh,
Yes,
I-
I play cricket. Do you play cricket?
yes, I play cricket.
When do you play cricket?
I play cricket in the evening.
Where do you play cricket?
I play cricket on the ground.
How long do you play cricket?
I play cricket for 3 hours. With whom?
Which bat do you use play the cricket?
I use MRF bat to play cricket.
Why do you play cricket?
I play cricket for fitness.
What is your experience playing cricket?
I am very happy to play cricket. I get excited and I get energetic when I play cricket. Okay, very good. Good job. Good job. Okay. Aishwarya, you ask me questions. Okay, now. Okay, Aishwarya is going to speak. Do you drive a car? Do you drive a car? Huh?
Yes, I drive a car. Do you drive a car?
Yes, I drive a car.
When do you drive a car?
I drive a car on Sunday.
Where do you drive a car?
I drive a car on highway.
How long do you?
I drive a car for 30 minutes on Sunday.
Why do you drive a car?
I drive a car for fun.
Um,
With whom?
which car are you drive?
चेंज करू नका. Are you नाही आहे मध्ये. Do youच आहे. Which car do you drive? I drive Suzuki Dzire. All right, very good. Good job. Kajal Dekay. Kajal.
Yes, sir.
Do you cook food? Do you cook food? Start. Do you cook food?
Yes, I cook food. Do you cook food?
Yes, I cook food.
When do you cook food?
I cook food in the morning.
Where do you cook food?
I cook food in the kitchen.
Why do you cook food?
I cook food to have food, to eat the food.
How much time do you take cook food?
I take around 60 minutes to cook my food.
Okay. Which type of food do you like?
I like to cook only pure. I like to cook only pure 100% vegetarian food.
Do you watch any? Do you watch any recipe channel?
Yes, I watch a lot of recipe channels. Very good. Good job. There are many questions, Kajal. Which recipe channels do you watch? Which recipes do you cook? Why do you cook those recipes? And do you comment on those recipe channels? When do you comment on the recipe channels? Why do you comment on the recipe channels? And what do you write in the comments? Do you share your comments? Where do you share your comments? Oh, there are a lot you can speak. Okay.
Yes.
Now who is going to talk to me?
Yes, sir.
Volunteer.
Pooja,
Volunteer.
sir.
Huh?
Pooja.
Who is going to talk to me? Ashwini. Okay, fine.
Yes.
Ashwini, do you go to college?
Yes, I go to college. Do you go to college?
Yes, I go to college.
When do you go to college?
I go to college at 10 o'clock.
Why do you go to college?
I go to college for my studies.
Where do you go to college?
I go to college in Shivajinagar. Correct. How do you?
How do you go to college?
I go to college by bus. You can ask any questions about it, but non-stop. What do you study in the college?
What is your college name?
My college name is FC College.
Where is your college?
My college is in Shivajinagar.
How much teachers in your college?
How many teachers are in your college?
Are in your college?
Once again, how many teachers are in your college?
How many teachers are in your college?
There are 50 teachers in my college.
How many security guards are in the college?
There are a lot of security guards in my college.
How many libraries available in your college?
There are 2 libraries in my college. Very good. Good job. Good job. Tomorrow is, I think, an exciting day. Everybody will prepare a lot of topics tomorrow. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So who is going to be next? Next volunteer.
Pooja here.
Yeah,
Thank
Pooja,
you.
Pooja, do you go to garden?
Yes, I go to garden. Do you go to garden?
Yes, I go to garden.
When do you go to garden?
I go to garden in the morning.
Where do you go to garden?
I go to Tapodham garden.
Why do you go to garden?
I go to garden to spend my free time.
How much time do you spend in garden?
I spend around 30 minutes in the garden.
Which type of exercise do you get in garden?
I get yoga exercises in the garden.
Do you running in the garden?
Yes, I run in the ground. Run on the in the garden.
Which type of exercise do you get in garden?
I get yoga exercises in the garden.
Do you take any classes in exercise?
Yes, I take the exercise classes of exercises.
Which type of exercise do you like?
I like aerobics.
How much time do you run in garden?
I run for 10 minutes in the garden.
Sorry, sir.
With whom?
With whom do you go to garden?
I go to garden with my friends.
Okay. Your
अरे बहुत अच्छा ये पूजा जी है ना, पूजा जी पहले बहुत शर्माती थी, इतना शर्माती थी ना, बहुत शर्माती थी अंग्रेजी बोलने के लिए. Now she is becoming good. I am very happy, Pooja ji. I am very happy. You are improving.
sir.
I am proud of you. Very
Thank
good.
you,
Good
sir.
job. Good job. Anybody else? Anybody
Sir,
else?
I am asking.
Aditi sir.
Okay, Sanket. Yeah, Sanket.
Sir, do you like to watch movie?
Yes, I like to watch movie.
Which movie do you watch?
I watch romantic movies.
What lesson do you learn from this movie?
I learn how to stay happy in the life.
Which actor do you like?
I like Amitabh Bachchan.
Which song do you like?
I like Rang De Basanti.
What's the motive? What's your motive behind watching these romantic movies?
I like to just spend my free time happily. I don't want to take stress of any movies.
What lesson do you learn from this, and do you deliver for the society?
I do not want to. I do not want to work for any society. I just watch movies for my happiness.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Very good. Good job. Good job. Next.
Nilesh sir.
Yeah, Nilesh, please. But correctness, Nilesh. I want correctness. If you speak wrong, I will stop you. Okay.
Okay sir, I will try my level best.
Yeah, please. Huh?
Do you read newspaper?
Yes, I read the newspaper.
When do you read newspaper?
I read the newspaper in the morning.
Why do you read newspaper?
I read the newspaper to get the current affairs knowledge.
How much time do you read newspaper?
I read the newspaper for 30 minutes.
Why do you read news? Why do you read news? Why do you read a newspaper?
I read a newspaper to get the knowledge of current affairs.
Do you go for a walk?
Yes, I go for a walk.
How much time do you go for a walk?
I go for a walk for 30 minutes.
What do you do now?
What are you doing now? That is.
Okay.
I am looking at you and I am answering your questions.
Okay, sir.
All right, fine. Good job. Is anybody else?
Aditi
Okay,
sir.
take the screenshot of it. Okay, Aditi. Yeah, I want Aditi to speak in English. Okay, Aditi.
Do you write a letter?
Yes, I write a letter.
Where do you write a letter?
I write a letter in my study room.
How long do you write a letter?
I write a letter for 30 minutes every day.
Why do you write a letter?
I write a letter to send the letter to call my parents to my hostel.
What is your right? What is our? Do you write a letter?
See, if you are not sure about the sentences, do not use those sentences. Understand? Are you sure, Aditi, what you are going to speak? Then why are you speaking? Understand? You should be sure inside that, yeah, this is correct. And then speak it out. Then speak it out. Okay, huh?
How many letters do you write?
Correct. This is correct question. Understand? Always speak correct in English. Because if you speak correct in English, then you will grow your confidence. Got it? I
Yes,
write 3 letters every day.
Okay, sir.
Okay, very good. Good job. Good job. Next. All right. In this way, now get the screenshot of this. Everybody get the screenshot. Have you got the screenshot?
Yes, sir.
Got it, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I got it.
Okay.
I take it.
Get it. All right. Are you enjoying?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you cheerful?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Are you excited?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Bye-bye.
Sir,
Good night. Bye, bye, sir.
See you again. See you. Good night, everybody. Take
sir,
care of yourself.
I have a question.
Sir,
Sir,
Wait a minute. Who is this Sarla Shinde? Wait a minute. Who is this Sarla Shinde? Hello? Who is this Sarla Shinde?
I think
sir,
Yes.
Amruta here.
Huh? Yes.
Sir,
What is your question?
I want to ask you
Yes.
that you were talking about the questions which are there on the app. So I'm not aware about it. Where will I get that question bank?
Question bank is on the app. In
Yes.
the study material. In study material. You will get in the study material. All right.
So, from the Play Store, should I download that app? What is the name of that app, sir?
Inspiring English Academy.
Okay.
Inspiring. You did not download it. Haven't you downloaded it?
No, sir. I was not knowing about it.
Okay, fine. Inspiring English Academy, and then go in the batch, and then you will find your batch, that is test series, test batch, and your English grammar batch. And then you
Okay.
can see a lot of lessons, grammar lessons, conversation lessons. All right.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Anything else?
Sir, what is the meaning of thin? TINY, thin.
No, that is TINY is tiny.
Tiny. What is
Small.
the meaning?
Small.
Chota in this way.
Okay.
All right. And if you want to there are nowadays dictionaries are there, Google Translate is there. Always use the dictionaries and Google Translate for the meanings. All right.
Okay, sir.
Are you enjoying?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes,
Are
sir.
you
Yes, sir.
cheerful?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Are you excited?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay, so from tomorrow we are going to start one new batch at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. At 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So if your friends or family members or relatives, anybody wants to join the class,